For your reference, we are here to provide information. You can watch our videos anytime, break time, mealtime, or even toilet time. We provide, and you think. Today, let's have a look at Meta. Meta, formerly known as Facebook, Inc., is a technology company that is best known for its social media and virtual reality products. It was founded in 2004 by Mark Zuckerberg, along with fellow students from Harvard University. The company started as a social networking website for college students, but quickly grew to become the world's largest social media platform, with over 3 billion monthly active users across its various apps and services. It is one of the largest and most influential technology companies in the world. In its early years, Facebook operated from a small dorm room at Harvard, but quickly expanded to a larger office in Palo Alto, California. The company went public in 2012, raising over $16 billion in what was then the largest IPO in tech history. Over the years, Facebook has made numerous acquisitions and launched several new products, including Instagram, WhatsApp, Oculus VR, and more recently, Meta's virtual reality platform, Horizon Workrooms. These acquisitions have allowed the company to expand its user base and diversify its revenue streams. In 2021, Facebook announced that it would be rebranding as Meta, reflecting the company's renewed focus on building a metaverse, a virtual world that would allow people to connect and interact in new ways. As of 2023, Meta has over 80,000 employees, making it one of the largest technology companies in the world. The company has offices in over 80 countries and is headquartered in Menlo Park, California. With a market capitalization of over $1 trillion, Meta is one of the most valuable companies in the world. In addition to its core social media and virtual reality products, Meta has several side businesses that help to diversify its revenue streams and expand its offerings. One of the most notable of these side businesses is Facebook Marketplace, an online platform for buying and selling goods and services that was launched in 2016. Marketplace allows users to browse and purchase items from individuals and businesses within their local communities, and has become a popular alternative to traditional e-commerce platforms like Amazon and eBay. Another side business for Meta is Workplace, a communication and collaboration platform for businesses and organizations. Launched in 2016, Workplace allows companies to create private social networks for their employees, facilitating communication, collaboration, and information sharing within the workplace. Meta has also invested in a number of other technologies and startups, including AI research, augmented reality, and cryptocurrency. The company has been exploring the potential of blockchain technology, and is reportedly working on a cryptocurrency project called Diem, which would allow users to send and receive digital payments. Overall, Meta's side businesses help to diversify the company's offerings and revenue streams, while also allowing it to explore new areas of technology and innovation. One of Meta's key strengths is its massive user base, which provides the company with significant data and insights into user behavior, preferences, and trends. This data allows Meta to develop highly targeted advertising products and personalized content experiences, which are highly valued by advertisers and users alike. Another strength of Meta is its ability to innovate and stay ahead of the curve in terms of new technologies and products. The company has a history of making bold bets on new technologies, such as virtual reality and augmented reality, and has made numerous acquisitions and investments to expand its offerings and capabilities. Additionally, Meta has a strong brand and reputation, which helps to attract top talent and establish partnerships with other companies and organizations. The company has a highly recognizable and influential platform, which makes it a highly sought-after partner for brands and businesses looking to reach new audiences and engage with users. However, Meta also has some notable weaknesses that could impact its future success. One weakness is the company's dependence on advertising revenue, which accounts for the vast majority of its revenue streams. This reliance on advertising revenue makes Meta vulnerable to changes in user behavior or regulatory environments that could impact its ability to monetize its user base. Another weakness of Meta is its reputation for data privacy and security issues. The company has faced numerous controversies and scandals over the years related to its handling of user data, which has damaged its reputation and led to increased regulatory scrutiny and public scrutiny. Finally, Meta is also facing increasing competition from other technology companies, including newer social media platforms and emerging technologies like blockchain and decentralized social networks. These competitive pressures could impact Meta's ability to retain its dominant position in the marketplace over the long term. Meta, formerly known as Facebook, Inc., has been listed on the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, since its initial public offering, IPO, in May 2012. Over the past 10 years, Meta's stock price has experienced significant fluctuations, driven by a range of factors including company performance, investor sentiment, and broader market conditions. In the years following its IPO, Meta's stock price experienced steady growth, driven by strong user growth, revenue growth, and profitability. By mid-2018, the company's stock price had reached an all-time high of over $200 per share. However, in the second half of 2018, Meta's stock price began to decline, driven by concerns over user privacy and data security, as well as broader market volatility. This decline was exacerbated by the Cambridge Analytica scandal, which saw Meta accused of allowing the personal data of millions of users to be harvested by a political consultancy without their consent. By the end of 2018, Meta's stock price had fallen by over 40% from its all-time high, marking one of the worst-performing years for the company since its IPO. However, the company's stock price began to recover in 2019, driven by strong earnings and revenue growth, as well as renewed investor confidence. In 2020, Meta's stock price experienced significant volatility, driven by the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on the broader economy and the advertising industry. Initially, the pandemic led to a decline in advertising revenue for Meta, which caused its stock price to decline sharply. However, as the year progressed, Meta's stock price began to recover, driven by strong user growth and increased demand for online advertising. By the end of 2020, Meta's stock price had rebounded to pre-pandemic levels, reaching an all-time high of over $300 per share. In 2021, Meta's stock price continued to rise, driven by the company's strong financial performance, as well as growing investor interest in the company's plans for a metaverse. In November 2021, Meta's stock price reached a new all-time high of over $350 per share, reflecting strong investor confidence in the company's long-term prospects. Overall, Meta's NYSE stock trends over the past 10 years have been marked by significant fluctuations, driven by a range of internal and external factors. Despite these fluctuations, Meta's stock price has generally trended upward over the long term, reflecting the company's strong financial performance and market position. Meta, formerly known as Facebook, Inc., has a number of strategic plans and initiatives in place to guide its future growth and development. One of the company's key priorities is to expand its offerings beyond its traditional social media and advertising businesses, and to become a leader in new and emerging technologies. One of Meta's most ambitious projects is its plans for a metaverse, which it describes as a virtual environment where people can be present with each other in a more immersive way than a phone, messaging, or video. The company has been investing heavily in virtual reality and augmented reality technologies to support this vision, and plans to launch a beta version of its metaverse platform in 2022. Another key priority for Meta is to address concerns around user privacy and data security, which have been a major challenge for the company in recent years. To this end, the company has announced plans to shift its focus away from targeted advertising and towards privacy-focused products and services, such as its new Privacy Checkup feature, which allows users to review and update their privacy settings. In addition to these initiatives, Meta is also focused on expanding its presence in emerging markets, particularly in Asia and Africa, where it sees significant growth potential. The company has made a number of strategic investments and partnerships in these regions, and is working to develop products and services that are tailored to the needs and preferences of these markets. Finally, Meta is also focused on developing its capabilities in artificial intelligence and machine learning, which it sees as critical to the future of its business. The company has made a number of acquisitions and investments in this area, and is working to develop new AI-powered products and services that can help drive growth and innovation across its various businesses. Overall, Meta's future strategic plans reflect its ambition to be a leader in new and emerging technologies, while also addressing concerns around user privacy and data security. By focusing on these priorities, the company hopes to continue to drive growth and innovation over the long term, and to maintain its position as one of the world's most influential technology companies. Please note that the information provided about Meta, including its strengths, weaknesses, future strategic plan, and stock trends, is based on publicly available information and is intended for general informational purposes only. While we have made every effort to ensure the accuracy and completeness of this information, we cannot guarantee that it is entirely accurate or up to date, and we do not accept any liability for errors or omissions. It is important to recognize that Meta operates in a rapidly changing and highly competitive industry, and that its future performance and prospects may be impacted by a wide range of factors, many of which are beyond its control. These factors may include changes in consumer preferences and behavior, shifting market conditions, technological advancements, regulatory developments, and other macroeconomic and geopolitical factors. Accordingly, any forward-looking statements or projections regarding Meta's future performance or prospects should be considered with caution, as they are subject to a range of risks and uncertainties. Actual results may differ materially from those expressed or implied in such statements, and Meta undertakes no obligation to update or revise any forward-looking statements or projections, whether as a result of new information, future events, or otherwise. You should always consult with a qualified financial advisor or other professional before making any investment decision. You should also carefully consider your own financial situation and risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. We encourage you to conduct your own due diligence and research before making any investment decisions. We are here to provide information for you. We provide, and you think. If you like this video, please press like and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell so you won't miss our new videos. See you in the next video.